Potato burg with only 3 ingredients. In a pan, start by adding 500 grams of potato, some salt and enough water. Once cooked, we put it in a bowl and start mashing. One mashed potato, I'll start seasoning it with a bit of salt, then some pepper. Add 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix it well. Now, grab a small amount and start shaping it. Guys, for filling, I'm using mozzarella, but use any filling you like. Now let's close it. Just repeat the process with the rest of the dough. It was quite a lot. Now let's grease a pan with some butter or margarine. Then just add all our potato burg. Now, cover it and let it brown. Once one side is browned, flip it and let the other side brown. Once it's browned, just remove it. And look at this amazing potato burg. Make it at home, everyone will love it. A super quick and easy recipe that's delicious. I hope you liked it. This is another recipe from Pobrina Cozina. Big hug. See you next time and thanks.